Good morning, all the respected dignitaries. Here is my paper, Role of Libraries in Post COVID 19 Era. This paper presents an evaluation of the role of IT utilities in the transformation of academic library services. The article also discusses the illustration of innovative technological advancement for data management. The paper concludes with an impression on future developments and the part of IT utilities in the post COVID 19 era. In keywords, I suggest some keywords: academic library, digital library, COVID 19, and innovative technologies. Introduction: as scientists and health professionals examine solution to COVID 19, librarians have the vital role of disseminating information and resources to the user through different online mediums accessible to them exclusively, as most people may not come to the library or the library may be closed during the COVID-19 pandemic. Literature review: in literature review, I study Bello and Ogadiano 2019 advise that the librarian must be knowledgeable in all fields of human endeavor and proficiency using the digital opportunity for information circulation. Librarians must assess the needs of various communities via relevant surveys and other ways of collecting data. What will library future look like? Today's librarian operating in a more advanced technological era, and hence the need to remodel library resources and services to fit into the 21st century age. Librarians must be adaptable and be knowledgeable in human all fields of human endeavor and proficiency in using print and digital opportunities for information dissemination. Uh, Adopting those new operations will allow in institution to unite across international border and work towards common goals. Innovative technologies means we could see further collaboration across the globe, enabling libraries to provide improved access to learning resources and components. The ultimate objective of a digital librarian is to facilitate access to information just in time to the critical ones of end users, and additionally to facilitate digital publishing. Librarians may be indispensable in the information dissemination era because they play a distinctive and changing role in providing easy access to authentic information at the right time and disseminating to the users in applicable format based on local user needs. Librarians must also possess a high level of security to prevent hackers from users' details and the type of information accessed. Librarians have to reach user society and their needs for up to date relevant information. When this has been done, there can be unlimited access to the library and information resources by millions of readers and information seekers, and their optimal use. Librarians can send customized scanned documents, images, audiobooks, and ebooks to library users' personalized accounts. Text messages: in text messages via mobile devices can disseminate information and multimedia content such as videos, images, and audio files. Librarians can use this service to alert users regarding the latest information on COVID 19, on how to stay secure, or other related information. Social media are more appropriate for marketing information and delivering illustrate information resources to groups of users or individuals. Online reference services can apply for research outreach. Online platforms allow librarians to build bonds with patrons and improve their efficiency through continuous reference and information service. Library website used effectively to share information links, share update and announce the news. Mailing list to targeted users can be used by libraries to receive personalized information at the same time. In post COVID 19 era, libraries might need to implement new trends and challenges such as spaces are tech friendly, universal internet access in all librarians, audio visual spending is growing, building needs to be flexible, focus on adaptive devices and web design, less expenditure on books but higher for circulation, budget cutbacks and training for end user. In future, libraries could benefit from the following innovative technologies. Learning commons. Many libraries are renovating their libraries to the concept of teaching commons or libraries and classroom instead of physical spaces environment. In this zone, learners can study, talk and work together in some privacy elements. Mobile apps. Libraries can extend mobile apps services to the user outside the library. In libraries, mobile interface are making access for users of all abilities. Now is a good time for librarians to meet with mobile app developers to become app expert for their library professionals community. Librarians should be aware of such things when creating mobile library apps. It would be cost effective because libraries are a non-profit organization. Compatibility, 24 into 7 access, work offline, limitless access, interactive, userless memory, security, reliability, encourage reading habit, etc. Libraries leading mobile apps would disseminate the library information, product and services online. Drones, especially in today's environment in the COVID-19 period, the drone can be a good option for collecting data, creating content and delivering the library's delivery services. The librarians can contact any drone company representative to add software and extend it with the integrated library management system. A drone can supply the ordered book to the patron doorstep and taking back for help patron to save their time. Library 4.0 model concept can be seen future in the library. The features cover library 4.0 is massive data, cutting edge display, augmented reality, infinite creative space, context aware and intelligence based. Library 4.0 as examined for literature that discusses by major reference databases like EBSCO host, Google Scholar, Lisa, etc. In conclusion, I would say that today librarians expected to manage digital libraries, organize digital knowledge and information, and disseminate digital information, because we are all have become a global village as a result of the internet. Today's librarians must also achieve new psychological, social and professional capabilities. Librarians should serve as motivation for the effective dissemination of information to promote the right knowledge. Librarians should disseminate needy information via existing and digital publishing platforms to enlighten users. In the end, I can say there will be one library globally accessible and globally comprehensive. That's it. Thank you. হ্যাঁ